welcome to Scope, where you can enjoy science in the comfort of your own home. Speaking of which, sit down and relax because we've got a huge episode ahead all about homes and habitats. Let's start with human habitats.
When you think about what's used to build modern city skyscrapers, you might think of tough materials like steel, concrete or glass.
You probably wouldn't think of wood, but natural timber like this is making a big comeback. Hi, I'm Harry, and here at UQ Civil Engineering, we're using what some might say is an old-fashioned resource in a cool new way.
As well as being natural and renewable, timber is the most environmentally friendly building material in the world. That's because trees absorb harmful carbon dioxide from the air as they grow. That carbon is stored inside the wood forever.
Timber has another advantage which may surprise you. For its weight, it's actually one of the world's strongest building materials.
Traditionally, timber has been used to build our furniture and our homes, but not for larger buildings like office blocks. Until recently, it wasn't practical to cut huge pieces of timber needed for large-scale construction.
But now, new technologies mean building of wood is faster and much more efficient.
Firstly, we can use computer algorithms to help assemble complicated structures. This program can run through different configurations to find the best design with the least waste. For example, this timber truss can be built using short lengths of timber that would otherwise be burned as firewood.
Then, there's computer-controlled routers. They're a game changer when it comes to cutting wood to size.
Machines like these can cut very precise shapes into timber, so they can join together with less bolts or even self-lock to make stronger corner sections. This makes building with these timber pieces a much faster job.
Modern engineering can now make massive timber pieces that act as support structures for buildings instead of steel.
By gluing and laminating pieces of timber together, they can be used as columns and beams, which make the bones of a tall building. Or they can be glued into flat panels for the floors, walls and ceilings. These pieces are extremely strong, but relatively lightweight. And because they're made from Australian softwoods, they're much quicker to regrow than traditional hardwood timbers.
Now, the next generation of architects and engineers are putting timber in their tall building designs. So this versatile resource of the past is becoming the tall building material of the future.